everyone, Markov Yuri here, and today I will talk about the PA sound effect from ZOZO. It's from a video called Gaming Mastilda Dash Fart / Diarrhea. It was played on October 10th, 2022. The sound length from this video is 145 to 155. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when I pee in. Oh, wait. Before I test this sound effect, I will preview it. It sounds like this. See? This is how the peeing sound effect from ZOZO sounds like. Now, I have to go to the bathroom and test it. I feel so much better. That reminded me of my desperation, where my husband carried me to the bathroom and I was like, ooh. Remember kids, make sure you use that sound effect for your bathroom break videos, okay?